Hey everybody, it's Ivy, and today I'm going to be showing you this beautiful unit. This is a pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-styled unit, and it was so easy to install. I love the fullness of it. This was a very thick unit, and I love that. When I have curly or wavy hair, the thicker the better. I was feeling it. I loved it. So cute. And this is the back, like it's really full. So this is the box that your wig will come in. The nice little Wiggins box, you can use that for storage. But let's get into this lace, y'all. Look how melted this is. I didn't have to add any tint, makeup, or anything. It just blends right on in. So I'm gonna start off with my wig grip cap. And this is how the wig looks out of the box. As you can see, look how, y'all, that's plucked so good. It's plucked to perfection, and the knots are super small knots, and it comes pre-bleached, so you really don't have to do a lot of anything. And this is the wig on the inside. It does come with an adjustable and removable elastic band, and I love that. I love the silicone underneath it that'll help it not move, but I did take that out. I don't need an elastic band in my wigs, and I'm also going to remove the combs. So to remove the combs is really simple. People always ask me how, but you just cut the thread and you just literally rip it off. I don't like these because they tend to pull out my hair, so I always remove them. But if you're a person that likes to wear your wigs without braids or caps, you might want to leave the combs in because they might help make your wig more secure. So now we're going to go ahead and put our wig on, and because this is a closure wig, okay, it's so easy and quick. Look at that, y'all. Like, it just melted into my skin as soon as I put it on. I was just amazed by that blend. Even before I cut the lace, it just comes perfect. The wig is nice and flat, no lumps and bumps. I don't have to use my hot comb. I'm gonna go in with my scissors and cut the lace, and I like to cut like a zigzag motion. You don't want to cut your lace straight across because it'll really, create a wiggy look. Make sure you never cut your lace straight across. You're going to see that lace from a mile away, okay? Please just trust me, never do it. You want to make sure you do this motion when cutting your lace. And I'm going to use my bow hold liquid gold, okay? I just used a little bit. And I wanted this hold because I wanted it to be extra secure. So I'm going to leave this unit on for a few days. So just go ahead and put it on your head. And then you just want to make sure you let the lace lay right on top of the product while it's wet. Then you just want to take your dryer and a rat tail comb and just press everything in and melt it on in. It dries really quick. I want to say it takes about 30 seconds to get completely dry. And now we're just going to take down a little bit of hair, and I'm doing this for my baby hairs. And I just like to take my hairs out and kind of sculpt them with gel before I go in and cut. This is how I always do my baby hairs. You guys have seen me do this 1,000 times. And I do it like this because it's easier for me to see exactly how it's going to look before I go in and cut. That way, if I don't add enough, I can go back and add more hair. Or if it's too long, I can always go in and cut it a little bit shorter. And then I'm just going to take my edge brush and perfect my edges. And that's it, you guys. It's really simple to do the edges. And it's really easy. I show y'all like most of my wig videos how I do my baby hair. It's really simple. So now we're just going to pick those curls loose. And as you guys can see, the hair is so pretty and long. I think this unit was about 24 or 26 inches. I'm going to take some water and conditioner and go ahead and spray down the hair. So I sprayed the hair down until it was fully saturated. You really want to get it nice and saturated and detangled so you can get the full effect of the curls. And I'm just using a Denman brush to go ahead and detangle the hair all the way out. It was so smooth, it wasn't tangling. The hair felt really good. This is an affordable unit, and y'all, I promise you, it feels, it's feeling luxurious. It felt pretty luxurious. I was pretty surprised. The hair was slipping through my brush, no tangles, and I was really pleased by the quality of the hair. So now we got everything nice and detangled. I'm going to take my diffuser and we're just going to dry everything up. So I put my hair in the diffuser and I just let it sit for like 1 or 2 minutes while I was on my phone. And then I went ahead and went to the other side, and I'm just going to alternate sides until my hair is completely dry, okay? And I do it like this because this helps the curl pattern the most. If you hold it in the diffuser too long, it'll make the curls too crunchy and weird. So make sure you alternate your diffuser every 1 or 2 minutes when you're using it. Then you just want to go through and dry the top. And the hair is now about 95% dry. And I'm just going to fluff it out a bit. Now, I left it a little damp because I didn't want it to get too defined. I just wanted a little bit of definedness. And I'm just perfecting my curls. And the hair was so soft, so pretty, so defined. This hair came in a natural, like, I would say this is a 1B to number 1 color. It is pretty dark. I definitely didn't have to color this unit because it looks almost black. And I was feeling it, y'all. I just thought I looked so cute. I haven't had on any units in a minute. I was missing my longer hair, and this is how the length looks on me. I'm 5'3". I think it's about 24 to 26 inches. Make sure you guys check the description bar. All the details will be down there. This is definitely a cute one. Perfect for like a vacation wig. Like, I can see this on the beach. And I just love this hair. This is definitely summer hair, spring hair, vacation hair. And y'all, the fullness is just, it's everything. This is definitely going in my wig stash. Definitely one of my favorite units and very easy to install. I just love the texture of the hair. I couldn't stop looking at it. Like, it's so pretty. So again, you guys, if you're interested in this unit, it's from Wiggins Hair, and all details will be down below. Thanks so much for watching another one of my tutorials, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.